Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how you can mix and match all the pattern with different kind of cable. We have the leaf here with two different kind of cable. This one is single cable with some pattern. We have double cable here. You can also use the decorative button underneath. I will show you how to do them one by one. If you have any comment or question, you can write them below. I will answer you. I'm going to show you how to do the cable. If you want to make a hat or jacket, you just need to have a border and then you can start doing your cable. These cables need 4 stitches each. If you want to make them a little bit bigger, you can go with the 6. If you want bigger cable, you can go with the 8. But the number has to be even. This is my yarn, and this yarn is 100% cotton. These are good for the kids, and the beauty of this yarn is it's showing all the pattern very nicely. I just made ready my needle and the yarn. We are going to start with 20 stitches in order to have 2 cables. Three, 4, and 5, 6. We just continue until we have 20. I just push it a little bit back. Push it a little bit back. You have enough room. I think we have 20. Yes, and then we are going to make a knot. Okay, I will take out one needle because I want my stitches to be a little bit loose for the first row, that I can knit easily. In order to make the border, you just have to go with 1 stitch, 1 purl, 1 stitch, 1 purl, 1 stitch, 1 purl until end of the row. For the purl, you have to bring your yarn to the back. For the stitch, you have to take your yarn to the front. 1 purl, 1 stitch, 1 purl, 1 stitch. We just finished 1 row. The second row is going to be the same. That means if the first one, usually I just take the first one, I don't need it. The first one, it's a stitch. The second one, it's a pearl. We are doing exactly the same. This is pearl. We do the pearl. This is the stitch. We do the stitch. The pearl. The stitch. Until finishing the row. Pearl, stitch, pearl. We just finished the second row. We are going to start the third row, and we are changing. The first one we just take. The second one is a pearl. We just make it the stitch. This one is a stitch. We do the pearl. Stitch, pearl. One stitch, one pearl. This one is pearl, stitch, pearl, till we finish the row. The back of the knitting is going to be the same. That means this is a knit, stitch, it's going to be stitch. This is a pearl, it's going to be pearl. Stitch, pearl. On the back, stitch, pearl, stitch, pearl. Okay. This is the front of the knitting, and you start to changing. You just take the first one, the second one is a stitch, you do the pearl. That's how you are going to have this border. And then it depends on you, how much border do you want to have. Okay, we just finished our border, and then we are going to start to make the cables. We have 20 stitches. We're just going to put 4 pearl, 4 stitch, 4 pearl, 4 stitch, 4 pearl. The 4 stitch is going to be for the cables. but we start with 4 pearl, 3, 4, 4 stitch for the cable. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 pearl, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 stitch for the cable. This is the front or knitting. When we go back, it's going to be the same. We are going to start